not illuminated. Great. Wow. That this is the correct road. Just want to get a shot of that beautiful ridge area. Not seen that before. Nice little town over there. You can see the church spire. We've only got a short distance on this road. It seems okay, it's not too heavy on traffic. That's the sign I've been looking for. Monte Grappa, Caupo. And I hope there's a little bar over at Caupo so I can get me a capo. Caupo. C-A-U-P-O. Yay. My little good luck charm has been good. I know Razay had one. Surely this will have one. Grappa this way. Razay. That's where we stopped for the Giro. Caupo. Seren del Grappa. Fiol. Oh, nice roses. Up there. Monte Grappa. Can't wait. Not. You see the sign. Monte Grappa 28 k's this way. Does that mean to the right? I guess so. Oh, and there's a sight for sore eyes or sore legs. Ah, the Giro went this way. See the pink ribbon, so we're on the right road. And here comes the fun. Ho hum. In the distance that we saw before, this is the first switchback. You can see all the nibbly riding on the ground from the Giro. Small view there, but that section there peaked at 14. It was like instant, in your face, 11%. And it dropped to 9 but held 11 to 12. Shit, no water. Well, not much water. And onwards we go. Onwards and upwards. Little black thing on the ground moving. Unbelievable. I'm riding along and a falcon just came swooping out of that tree and nailed the rat. But it dropped it. Maybe I scared it. I don't know. But hell, I've never seen that before. Wow. Down there, there's a little old guy there. And I've asked for water. And I'm kind of hoping he'll come out with a big jug of water. And I can fill up my water bottle. Because I need it completely out of water. Sergio gave me a full bottle of natural spring water, not frizzante, bubbly. He reckons down the road there's 2 people who come up from Sydney every summer. Geez, be nice. This constant 9, 10, 11% is a bit of a bug in the back. But it's glorious scenery. Okay. With a quick stop. Oh, look at that. We're getting there. Nice section here. It's only 3 and 4%. Actually feels like downhill. I don't think this GPS is accurate. Ah, yeah, it's slightly uphill. Feels like downhill though. Flattish section here. While it lasts, it won't go on forever. That's for sure. Here. Beautiful fresh bitumen. I have to stop and or at least get my jam and butter roll out. Gee, how thick this tar is, Jesus. Must be about 20 centimetres thick in one section back there. Even more, 25 centimetres thick. Bloody hell, they laid it on thick here. Geez, a bit of downhill, wow. Really nice road to ride. Good condition. Hello, how are you? Whoops. Screws it. A lot faster than me. Oh, there's another one. Hello.
Hello.
Come away. Keep going. Beautiful scenery. You can see road zigzagging up there. We're across the valley.